Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Jassjyro Pojadas. And my name is Jassjyro Pojadas. And for today's video, we're gonna make a slime. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel first and click the bell ring, the notification bell, and please click the I button so you will see my videos. Yes, meron po tayong glue with here, glue, shaving foam, purple, purple food coloring, glitter, scissors, Ariel detergent, and fork. So let's make it, Jassjyro. Jassjyro will just watch, right, baby?
Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are what we need when we're holding each other. I'm taking back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood. Where we sang songs with all our childhood friends, and it went like this. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a walk with me, baby, I want me on the dance floor, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. Dancing in the middle of the woods of an almost time.
I'm gonna put lotion so it's gonna be more stretchy.
Oh no, oops, I got it. 99 promising you bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time.
Why this is blue?
Just for you and me on the
So it's gonna be so sketchy, right, baby?
singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love.
So there's the slime. Still sticky. Still mix it. Somebody done it.
Kuha niya ang juling. like this video, And this is the start of the notification squad. If you no touch me ha, no touch. If you want to join the notification squad, please comment down below and let's call this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh my god. Yo. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys.
Wow, so nice.
No touch. This is so sticky, guys. Bye guys, hope you like this new video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye bye. Click the I button to see my videos, like my TikTok videos, and of course Casey and Rachel in Wonderland. It's my favorite. Click the I button now. Bye bye.
Feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you could live without me. Thinking
oh yeah, oh